I just visited the exhibition, Creative Arts Workshop, where I have my work, visual notes. I am so happy that it went the way that it went. Had a live podcast with the Rhythm and Brews podcast. Gave other artists a chance to shine. Really cool just being in the space, having so many friends and clients come out to support the work. This has been a project I have had in the works for about like 2 years. Been graphic recording for a while now, so being able to get that level of exposure, like in a monetary sense and in a community impacting sense, has been like really cool. So super happy that it's gonna be up until December 2nd. I was just kind of walking around taking photos, video of the work and just like letting it soak in. I haven't had an exhibition in New Haven in a little while. Last one I had was in Milford at the Milford Arts Council, where I work and I do marketing and stuff. And that was a group show. But I think too, even though this was and is a solo exhibition, I wanted other types of energy in the space, other creative people that were able to share their story. And my intention behind that was just being able to graphic record live, as well as giving my friends an opportunity to share themselves and what their stories were. Because the work itself was centered around different businesses, community conversations, and I was able to capture that. So it just made sense to do that in a live setting, atmosphere, where people were able to absorb the work. We had it beamed onto a monitor, since I'm an iPad artist and everything, and then the graphic recording was done live. So it was definitely a really memorable night. We're going to be working on a closing exhibition too, the exhibition closing. So a lot of ideas I'm kind of running with for that, but more on that soon. But it's cool. It's cool having an exhibition. I definitely want to be showing more. These works were created with American Rescue Plan Fund, the grant funds, and I look forward to being able to do more of this type of work and then being able to show it in a gallery setting too. Because usually when I graphic record, it just goes right to the client and they can do what they want with it. But yeah, I think there's a lot to say with graphic recording and the community impact that it has, the conversations that can be sparked with graphic recording, just being able to go into meetings, I learned something out of it, and then the client is able to get like a takeaway. So I want to just kind of share those different stories with the community so that people can just see what it's about. But Visual Notes is up now at Creative Arts Workshop. It's going to be running until December 2nd. Check on Creative Arts Workshop's website for the hours and go check it out. There's also a word wall, so I have 2 prompts. One prompt is, what do you love about Creative Arts Workshop? If you've been there, if you've had classes there. And then if you're just a first-time visitor, like take a look at the space, and then you can answer that prompt. Second prompt is simply like, why are the arts important, period. I mean, I think they are absolutely as an artist, but I'm just looking for different opinions, thoughts, feelings, and then write that on a sticky note, transfer it to the word wall. And at the end of the exhibition, I'm going to come up with another graphic recording that's going to kind of have those responses. So super excited. Definitely visit the exhibit. It's going to be up until December 2nd.